Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 50 best sentences that can help you in becoming fluent in English language. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First sentence is, how was your day today? How was your day today? Second sentence is, did you sleep well last night? Did you sleep well last night? Third sentence is, what are your plans for the weekend? What are your plans for the weekend? Fourth sentence is, do you have any hobbies or interests? Do you have any hobbies or interests? Fifth sentence is, where do you study? Where do you study? Sixth sentence is, have you traveled anywhere interesting recently? Have you traveled anywhere interesting recently? Seventh sentence is, what kind of music do you enjoy listening to? What kind of music do you enjoy listening to? Eighth sentence is, do you like watching movies or TV shows? Do you like watching movies or TV shows? Ninth sentence is, have you read any good books lately? Have you read any good books lately? Tenth sentence is, how do you like your coffee or tea? How do you like your coffee or tea? 11th sentence is, what kind of food do you like to eat? What kind of food do you like to eat? 12th sentence is, do you prefer cooking or eating out? Do you prefer cooking or eating out? 13th sentence is, how do you usually spend your evenings? How do you usually spend your evenings? 14th sentence is, what do you like to do on weekends? What do you like to do on weekends? 15th sentence is, have you been exercising or playing sports lately? Have you been exercising or playing sports lately? 16th sentence is, do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? 17th sentence is, what's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? 18th sentence is, do you like to travel or stay close to home? Do you like to travel or stay close to home? 19th sentence is, have you seen any good concerts or shows recently? Have you seen any good concerts or shows recently? 20th sentence is, how do you usually celebrate your birthday? How do you usually celebrate your birthday? 21st sentence is, what kind of weather do you like? What kind of weather do you like? 22nd sentence is, have you ever gone camping or hiking? Have you ever gone camping or hiking? 23rd sentence is, how do you stay organized and productive? How do you stay organized and productive? 24th sentence is, what's your favorite type of dessert? What's your favorite type of dessert? 25th sentence is, have you ever been to an art exhibition? Have you ever been to an art exhibition? 26th sentence is, what's your favorite type of cuisine? What's your favorite type of cuisine? 27th sentence is, do you prefer the city or the countryside for outing? Do you prefer the city or the countryside for outing? 28th sentence is, have you ever learned a new language? Have you ever learned a new language? 29th sentence is, how do you stay in touch with family and friends? How do you stay in touch with family and friends? 30th sentence is, what's your favorite type of exercise or physical activity? What's your favorite type of exercise or physical activity? 31st sentence is, do you have any hidden talents or hobbies? Do you have any hidden talents or hobbies? 32nd sentence is, what's your favorite type of TV show or movie? What's your favorite type of TV show or movie? 33rd sentence is, how do you deal with stress or anxiety? How do you deal with stress or anxiety? 34th sentence is, what's your favorite holiday? What's your favorite holiday? 35th sentence is, have you ever done any volunteer work or a community service? Have you ever done any volunteer work or a community service? 36th sentence is, how do you usually celebrate major life events? How do you usually celebrate major life events? 37th sentence is, what's your favorite type of art or music? What's your favorite type of art or music? 38th sentence is, do you like to travel alone or with friends? Do you like to travel alone or with friends? 39th sentence is, what kind of things do you do to relax? What kind of things do you do to relax? 40th sentence is, have you ever gone on a road trip? Have you ever gone on a road trip? 41st sentence is, what's your favorite type of flower? What's your favorite type of flower? 42nd sentence is, do you prefer indoor or outdoor activities? Do you prefer indoor or outdoor activities? 43rd sentence is, have you ever gone on a cruise? Have you ever gone on a cruise? 44th sentence is, how do you like to dress for expressing your personal style? How do you like to dress for expressing your personal style? 45th sentence is, do you have any favorite childhood memories? Do you have any favorite childhood memories? 46th sentence is, what's your favorite type of coffee shop or cafe? What's your favorite type of coffee shop or cafe? 47th sentence is, how do you like to spend your mornings? How do you like to spend your mornings? 48th sentence is, do you prefer a hot or a cold weather? Do you prefer a hot or a cold weather? 49th sentence is, what's your favorite type of movie genre? What's your favorite type of movie genre? 50th sentence is, have you ever tried a new hobby or an activity recently? Have you ever tried a new hobby or an activity recently? So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.